This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Wanda Smith. Well-maintained 4-bedroom house with open floor plan. Eat-in kitchen with newer appliances. Freshly painted, updated bathroom and fixtures and lighting. Spacious bedroom. Frog STHE4TH bedroom. Newer laminate flooring, ceramic tile. Newer window 2016, hot water heater 2019, roof 2016. Huge fenced-in backyard with deck. Great for entertaining. Easy commute to Coast Guard Base and Naval Hospital, U.S. Joint Force Command, Naval Station Norfolk, restaurants, entertainment and interstate. This is must-see. Shed and sprinkler system convey as is. Home warranty.